Are you tired of being held back by your criminal record? Imagine unlocking new opportunities for better jobs, secure housing, and a brighter future. It's time to take control of your life, and we're here to make it happen. Expungement is the powerful legal tool you need to erase your criminal record from public view, giving you a fresh start. Our expert attorneys in Cook County have a proven track record of success, aggressively fighting to clear records quickly and discreetly. Visit our website and fill out a quick form to see if you're eligible. This is the first step towards a new life. Schedule a free consultation with our experienced lawyers who will meticulously review your case and strategize the best approach. We file your expungement petition within 72 hours. Our dedicated team will guide you through every step, aggressively pursuing the best outcome until your record is cleared. Don't let your criminal record control your life any longer. Act now. Contact Edward Johnson and Associates for a free, confidential consultation. Call us at 708-529-6969 or visit our website at www.edwardjohnsonlaw.com to get started immediately. Erase your past and embrace your future with Edward Johnson and Associates. We are the trusted experts in Cook County, committed to fighting for your second chance. We are relentless in our pursuit of justice for you. Take the first step today and reclaim your life.